Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen. Today I'm showing you a different video. Today I want to show you how to activate your rain sensing wipers. If you have them on your car. Not every car has them, but this Atlas does have them. I'm in a 2021 Atlas. This is an SE with Tech R line, and it does have rain sensing wipers. And right now, as you can see, it started raining. Now, one of the ways you can cheat and figure out if you have this or not is look at the assembly behind your mirror, your rear view mirror. If it's this bulbous shape right here, there's a good chance you have rain sensing wipers. There's a sensor up there that detects, but it has to be this bulb shape. If it's just stuck to the windshield and there's no wiring or conduit going from there up to the roof line, then you probably don't. There is your wiper stalk right there. You notice it says off, intermittent, low, and high. So right now there's a little buildup, accumulation of raindrops on the windshield here. First thing you can do, if you just need to do a quick swipe, push down on the stalk one time and a swipe, and that's it. So that's if you get a puddle splash or something like that, someone hit you with something. All right, rain sensing, push up, one click. The wipers will swipe one time and then stop. Now you're in rain sensing mode, and it doesn't measure that by impacts on the windshield. It actually measures refracted light, and it's pretty highly sophisticated. So it doesn't just measure impacts to the windshield. That sensor up there is where it does that at. So the wipers will go as needed. They're speed sensitive as well. So I'm not going to wait on that to swipe it. Oh, there it went. Then the next one up is your medium setting, where they'll continue on their own, and then your high setting, where they'll continue even faster on their own. Now I want to go back to the rain sensing mode. I'm going to set it right there. There's also this little stalk right here, this little button right here. Think left is light for the smallest raindrop right there, and then right is rain. So if I push it all the way to the right there, now it's on the fastest setting for that. So these are speed sensitive, and also speed, you can adjust the speed, tweak it a little more here. Now with these wipers too, you have a rear wiper right back there. To turn that guy on, push away, one click, and it just wiped. I wasn't fast enough, but I didn't want to make you dizzy. Okay, so I'm going to pull back one click and push out one click. There goes your rear wiper. To do the wiper wash for the rear window, push away another click. There's your fluid, and there's your wipe. And to turn that wiper back off, you pull it back towards you. To do window wash for the front windshield, pull it towards you and hold it, and it does the swipe. There's your wipers explained for you in your new Volkswagen, in case your salesman didn't explain it to you. Super easy. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.